Well, good evening, folks, and I had to write down these words because I'm scared shitless of being up here. So forgive me if it sounds like I'm reading from paper, but I actually am. But I just wanted to thank everyone for coming down for Bob Dylan's birthday bash. And every year is so special because we're celebrating one of the most gifted singer-songwriters of our time. But also, in doing so, we get to assemble some of the greatest singer-songwriters in the world to do the work for it. But today is especially poignant because we're also celebrating another legend in music and friendship, and too many other accolades to mention. We'd be talking about them forever if we go down that path, but we don't have that kind of time. And that's our friend, Mr. Ron Casat. There isn't a musician or music lover in the house that hasn't been affected by Ron, his generous spirit, his wit, his charm, and his humor. And when I first moved to Calgary, the first musician I ever saw was Ron, and he was playing with Steve and Laurie, and they were doing a night of Bob Dylan songs. And that's why I think it only fitting that here tonight we dedicate this stage in Ron's honor. So henceforth, this stage is called the cassette deck. Now I'm going to turn the mic over to Mr. Tim Williams, who's going to say a few words, probably way more eloquently than I can. Thank you.
Ron and I were friends for 35 years, bandmates for 25 years, from Slave Lake to the tip of Baja California and from Ottawa out to the Gulf Islands. He was my brother from another mother, but we have Ron's blood family here tonight, and I'd like to invite Marina and Laurie just up here to the front of the stage because we're going to get you to finish installing this lovely plaque in Ron's honor.
Wow.
Perhaps just running for the screw gun right now. Well, maybe not running.
Maybe not right now.
So this guy walks into a bar and all right, the cassette deck, everybody.